good morning from me and Michael. We're just sat having a cuddle at the moment, aren't we? Yeah, watching a bit of Fireman Sam. Just chilling. Yeah? We've had a bit of a rubbish weekend. We didn't do much vlogging, as you might have noticed. The weather's just been horrible, so we haven't been able to get out anywhere apart from shopping. Michael was grotty all weekend because he's been teething. Yes, talking about you. So he was just spent most of the weekend screaming, to be honest. Which wasn't good fun, was it? And he's playing with our net. We got a Now TV box at the weekend. We thought we'd try it out. Blue's going off to uni in September. We were looking at options for him. So we've got loads of like 14-day free trials on various channels at the moment. So we're checking them all out, seeing if it'd be any good for him. The only thing we've found with it so far is that you can't watch like the Freeview channels on it. You can watch them on catch up, but you can't watch them as they happen. So kind of thinking about it for him. Not sure yet what to do. But with this, he could get a Freeview box and then watch like the Sky's channels and stuff as and when he wants. And there's no contract, so if he gets fed up with it, he doesn't have to pay for it, or mum and dad don't have to pay for it. Jobs for today. We need to tidy up Mikey Moo. This house is a mess from the weekend. We've got lots of clothes to put away, some floors to clean. What else we got to do? Oh, we've got to sort out the washing machine. It's rattling around quite a bit at the minute, so I think there's something stuck in the filter, so we need to do that. What else are we going to do? Play with toys? Watch it. Oh, you've paused it. You paused the telly. How did you do that? Let's work this out. There we go. Don't do it again. So, yeah, probably nothing overly exciting, but we'll record what we can. Right, let's have a look at this. Oh. Watch out for the flood that's about to happen. Towel at the ready. Let's see what we can find in here. Oh, here comes the water. Oh, it feels a bit stuck. It's definitely sunk in there. And it stinks. Come on. What have we got? Hairbands. That wasn't as bad as what I thought. Filter's fairly clean, but we had a nice hairband there. Right, let's get that back in. Are you going to go back in? If I missed something. A little bit of something there. There we go. Sorted. So hopefully that won't be rattling anymore. Job done. What are you up to?
Eating cake.
Cake mixture. Yum yum.
Yummy!
Have you had good days?
Yeah.
What have you done today, Darcy?
Played with Isabella.
Yeah, at school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And did you try to write your name at school today? You did a really great job of it, didn't you?
Yeah, Miss Dyson gave me a sticker.
Did she?
It was a star one.
Wow, you deserved it. You did a great try at doing it, didn't you?
Yeah, but I got it off now.
And what did you do at school today, Mia?
I did,
You've got cake mix in your hair. Be careful. What did you do?
I had what I done first came into school.
Yeah.
I played with Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Even we didn't got worship, so we got
No, it wasn't the worship day today, was it?
yes, reflect.
Yeah. And did you do some writing today?
Yes,
Did you do some numbers? No. Did you play on the playground?
yeah.
Yeah. So it was a good day.
Yeah,
What did you have for lunch?
meatballs, some little beans, there is just two beans.
All right.
There is green beans.
What's that? And what did you have for your pudding?
There's pasta in our hot school dinner.
What's that? What did you have for pudding?
Even chocolate brownie.
Did you really have chocolate brownies?
Yeah.
Because you always tease me that you have chocolate brownies, and you go, actually, I didn't. Did you really?
Yeah.
It's not fair. I'm not allowed chocolate brownies. Did you bring any home for me?
Yeah, here.
Thanks. Hello, Kaylin.
Hi.
Have you had a good day?
Yes.
Congratulations.
What?
You got lots of lovely comments on your vlog yesterday.
Thank you so much, guys.
You just got another comment.
What?
It was from Ryan.
Right.
Ryan went onto his YouTube and gave you a comment. Something about your jokes being really funny. And we've just had another one. What a great family. Oh, it's disappeared. I'll find it in a minute. It was from somebody called Evo Tivo. Subscribe to your channel as well. Woohoo! Another subscriber.
Woo!
Let me just turn this off for a minute and find out what their comment was. Hang on. Yes, hang on, Mikey. Is that one that just subscribed, Evo Tivo, did I say? They put, great job, Kaylin. Woohoo! You're a superstar at vlogging. So what else have you been doing at school today?
I've got my book.
You've got all your year 3 books home, so you've been looking through those, haven't you? And I've been reading some of the poems that you wrote. Some of them are quite random and weird. But very good. And you said how much your handwriting's improved, didn't you? When you looked at it, you thought, when you were in year 3, you thought your handwriting was really good. And now you think, oh, actually, it's even better now. So that must mean you're working really hard at school. Good job, Kaylin. Right, this is the amount of washing I've got through today. So now it's time to fold it and get it put away. There we go, pile of washing gone, nice tidy bed and all hoovered. Looking much better in here now. Right, it's just coming up to 9 o'clock. I've just got back from Tesco, just done a quick top-up shop while Warren gets the kids to bed. Thought I'd just show you a few of the bargains that I got. So first thing I spotted were these watermelon fingers. Don't normally buy them like this, I normally just buy the watermelon and chop them up for them, but they were on offer. So these were originally 60p each and they were down to 15p each, so I got 5 of those. Before I went to Shannon last week, one of these, and they were actually reduced as well. So these were 45p down to 11. So I've got one for Shannon, Ryan and Lewis. They can have one each of their lunch tomorrow to keep them going. And then I found these buns. So I've got the sesame seed ones, 75p down to 19p. And some little tiny ones, which I thought would be quite good for the kids, because they don't always eat the whole large bread roll. And that was 21p instead of 85p. So I worked out, should have all been £5.95. And I paid £1.48, so let's say me £4.47 there. I forgot to show the other day, actually, I got a great big tray of grapes. I think I took a picture of it, I'll add it in if I've got it. I think that was like half price. It wasn't the best deal ever, but it was a kilo of grapes, which was £1.50 instead of £3. That was down on a yellow sticker, so I'll try and see if I've still got the picture and add that in now.